Would I mind a stop order issued by the administrator? So the administrator does not have a badge and a gun, right? A judge has a marshal. So the way that we enforce is first the administrator is going to issue a stop order, say, hey, Rosa, stop this. But if you ignore the stop order, then the state administrator goes to court and gets a court order, an injunction. So a stop order is kind of, I think, straightforward. It's stop what you're doing, right? And if you ignore the stop order, sometimes we might say cease and desist order. I don't think there's any, difference in the language of that, but that's what that is. And then the other thing I would, don't go overboard on 63, but remember, it's a legal test. And so this idea is called due process. That if I'm going to issue a stop order and not give you an opportunity for a hearing, well, then, I got to have some reason. And usually that would be a sense of urgency that if I don't tell you to stop, there's going to be more people losing money. Brian, anything you would add to the stop order as it relates to?
I'll tell you, Dean, I get this question quite often over the years. It was an area that I actually had a little issue with when I was first taking my exams, because the textbooks, again, my favorite, the textbooks are really hard to describe. So how I generally describe it to people is temporarily the administrator can do just about anything.
I like it. He could deny.
But there cannot be any final order until this person has an opportunity for a hearing. That's how I think of it.
I like it. I like
it. There's something now that we got to move on. So we do a cease and desist order, but that's only temporary until we give them an opportunity for a hearing. That's your only help.
Brian is so good at putting the NASA legalese into plain English.